How to join everyone on Roblox without being their friends. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Roblox website or Roblox app and search for the player's username in the search bar. Type on their username to view their profile, and if the profile is online and playing the game, you will see a join game button on their profile. Click the button to join their game. Note that this only works if their privacy settings allow everyone or friends and follower to join their game, and if the player is on a private server and has shared the server link publicly or with a group you can join without being friends. Get the private server link from the group, Discord server or other platform with it was shared. Click the link and it will take you directly to the private server. You can also go to the player's profile and tap on the follow button. If their privacy settings allow followers to join their games, you can follow them into games they are playing. So this is how you can join anyone or Roblox without being friends. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.